Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax. As you can see, today we're going to be taking a look at this CREST CLASSIC 220. This is a beautiful boat, well constructed. As you can see, this is going to have the black metallic. It's going to be your tri-tune design. Full aluminum underskin, which is really going to protect your decking and the longevity of your boat. As you can see, this is a beautiful colorway with the powder coated hammered railings. Really gives this boat a clean look as well as being durable. Making our way back to the transom, you're going to see this is going to have a 150 Mercury for this 22-foot crest. This is going to be plenty of power to do everything you're looking to do out on the water. Making our way up into the boat, you're going to see there's some nice stainless steel hard caps. It's going to really play into the durability of your boat. You're going to have a beautiful ski tow bar back here for all of your water sports. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to see this is going to have a very vast, extensive sun pad, ton of great seating options, cup holders to match, and it's just a great seating arrangement while you're out on the water. On your starboard side, you're going to have some fender storage. It's going to keep you from using your underneath storage. Making our way up to the cockpit, you're going to have obviously your captain's chair as well as your co-captain's chair. Beautiful fiberglass helm design. Built-in fusion audio with all of your switches, including your cooled captain's cup holder, which is one of my favorite features on this boat. And new for this year, the Lowrance Hook 5 digital dash. Obviously your cooled captain's cup, wireless charging, which is really going to extend your day out on the water. Making our way up to the bow, you're going to have a pull-out table, obviously able to be stored away and keep you from using your walk-through space. Making our way up to the front, you're going to have your standard bench seats. This is a great seating option to really maximize your seating capacity here in the bow of your boat. You got a pull-out dedicated storage space for a cooler underneath your seat there, as well as some awesome fusion audio speakers with LED lights built in. So thank you guys for tuning into this walkthrough. I apologize if the wind is a little bad. If you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact me directly, Thatcher Smalley, at 918-541-6588, or call your local MarineMax. Thanks.